Most people's minds are not ready to be free. Many are so dependent on the system that they'll fight to defend it. I know I can help people if they are prepared to learn and listen. I'll give you tips for free and provide all your answers to fix your lives. But if you're going to sit there and do nothing, don't come to me asking why you're struggling. This is the reality of being a man. Anyone watching this under the age of 30, your brain is already broken, and I'll tell you why. You can't focus on anything anymore. You're so distracted that you can't even appreciate the good things in your life. Your minds are broken, and you need to rewire them and resist the conditioning. First, you have to identify what's happening to you. I use my mind to break the trap. I let my enemy manipulate me on purpose, and then I use my mind to break free and punish them. I'll sit on TikTok and observe how quickly I seek entertainment, how little time I give a video, and how messed up I am. Then I'll blink and cure my mind. You must allow yourself to be manipulated and then fix it. You just talked about not appreciating things, then blink and cure your brain. It's a conscious decision. If you cannot control your own mind, you are just a feather in the wind of life. Your own mind is the only thing you can control. You can't control the weather, other people, or even if your heart stops. You might have a heart attack tomorrow. You can't control anything besides your thoughts. If you can't control your own mind, you go through life with zero control and zero influence. You're just a feather in the wind, waiting for life to blow you from one place to another, hoping for good fortune. If genuine discomfort comes your way, you're unprepared. The issue with the true red pill mentality is that it requires a lot of personal responsibility. Many people avoid personal responsibility whenever possible. To truly embrace a red pill mindset, you have to take responsibility for many aspects of your life. You need to understand how women think, get in fantastic shape, manage your finances, maintain a strong mindset, and not chase after someone who disrespects you. True understanding requires a lot of mental discipline, which many people lack. This is why the blue pill mindset exists. It allows people to avoid the hard work and discipline needed to improve themselves. Taking on a red pill mindset means being responsible for your actions. It's a shame to think of telling your father that you could have been successful in various fields but wasted your time on distractions. If you're wasting your potential, you're not living up to what you could be. Admitting that you're wasting your potential is the first step towards improvement. Those who deny their wasted potential are the ones who are most lost. If you acknowledge that you can be more than you are, even if you're already successful, you have a chance to improve. Constantly pushing yourself to the limit every day is key. Discipline and willpower are crucial. With discipline, you can achieve anything. It's about self-control and making yourself the center of your own universe. In my experience, true discipline is rare. Many people talk about it, but few are serious. I've always been stubborn and refused to fail, which has led to success in various areas. I believe in discipline. I do what needs to be done regardless of how I feel. Motivation is fleeting, but discipline is constant. If you truly want something, you'll work for it. There's a difference between wanting something and truly desiring it enough to put in the effort. Many people say they want to be rich, but they don't want it enough to do the necessary work. This is similar to wanting to ice skate, but not wanting to learn how. If you truly wanted it, you'd make the effort. If you truly desired money, you wouldn't be able to rest until you had it. If you can't maintain focus and drive, you're not cut out to be wealthy. When I had nothing, I was completely undistracted from my goals. That's my nature. If I want something, I'll get it. I'll do it. When people say to follow your passion, they imply you'll have endless motivation to work hard. However, if you can only work hard at something you enjoy, you're likely to fail. Most enjoyable activities don't pay well. If they did, they wouldn't be as enjoyable. That's why it's called a job. Few people enjoy their job. They enjoy their hobbies. Maybe 1% of people can make money from video games, but most won't. Do you think the man in China who owns a concrete factory is passionate about concrete? No, he's passionate about money. Be passionate about success. If you're passionate about money, you can be passionate about anything. I'll be passionate about any business that pays me well. If you pay me $1 billion to dig a hole, I'll dig it with passion for the cash. So, if you're serious about success, focus on what will get you there, not just what you enjoy. Discipline and dedication will take you further than fleeting passion. Stay committed to your goals. And remember, success comes from hard work and persistence. If you found this lesson valuable, subscribe for more insights and strategies to achieve your dreams. Let's make success happen together.